To all. Here I am with the second presentation on the base of the chapter conic section, and in this presentation we are going to discuss the parabola and its equations. What we have learned from the earlier classes, if you are plotting the graph for a quadratic polynomial or a quadratic equation, then always we are getting a parabola. Then that parabola we are going to discuss here. Then let us start. A parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point. What we needed for constructing a parabola, we need a fixed line, and that fixed line we are calling that as directrix, and a fixed point, and that fixed point we are calling as focus. If you are taking these two things and then you are considering some points which are at equal distance from the given two values, means the directrix and the focus, then we are able to get a curve, and that curve is like a parabola. Here if you are observing in the figure, then here I am taking a line L, and that I am calling as directrix, and a point F that I am calling as focus. And if you are considering the distance from the directrix, then B1 P1, B2 P2, P3 P3 are the distance from the directrix, and FP1, FP2, FP3 are the distance from the focus. And these distances are equal, then we are getting a curve, and that curve we are calling as parabola. Here if you are observing, then either the parabola we are getting along x-axis or y-axis. The point the parabola touches the axis, we are calling that as vertex. Focus we have discussed in the previous slide, and the axis we know, x-axis and y-axis, and a line when we are plotting, then that we are calling as directrix. And here let us observe the equation. Then if you are considering these two figures, then in the first one, this is facing towards the positive x-axis, and in the second one this is facing towards the negative x-axis. Then if it faces towards the positive x-axis, then the focus we are getting A0. This is the distance A on the x-axis. For this reason we are getting the coordinate on the x-axis as A0, and here if you are considering, then we are getting minus A0 because the distance we are getting minus A unit. Equation of directrix, then that is parallel to the vertical axis. Here if you are observing, and this is at equal distance, then this is equal to x equal to minus A. Then the required equation we are getting, if it is facing toward the positive direction of x-axis, then we are getting y square is equal to 4ax, and if facing towards the negative x-axis, then we are getting y square equal to minus 4ax. Here you have to learn the difference. We are getting the question, you have to observe the equation, then you have to identify along which axis the parabola facing. Then according to that you have to write the value of vertex, the focus, the coordinate of focus, the equation of directrix. All these things you have to write according to the face of the parabola. And here if you are observing the vertical position, means the along y-axis. In the first figure it's fitting towards positive direction of y-axis, and in the second one we are getting it is faces towards the negative direction of y-axis. Then the focus becomes 0a if you are taking the distance as a from the origin, and here we are getting 0 minus a because minus a unit. Directrix clearly we are observing in these two figures parallel to the axis, And the equation, if you are considering, then equation we are getting x square equal to 4ay if it facing towards the positive direction of y-axis, and x square equal to minus 4ay if it is fitting towards negative direction of y-axis. And the four conditions, the four equations we are getting for the parabola. One more thing is remaining for the parabola, and that is called the latus rectum. Latus rectum of a parabola is a line segment perpendicular to the axis of the parabola through the focus whose end points lie on the parabola. If you are considering a latus rectum, then latus rectum is the length of a line segment that is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. And here if you are observing, then this parabola I am taking and this is along the x-axis, then this length, if you are considering that line segment passes through the focus, this we are calling as latus rectum. And if you are observing the second figure here, then OF if you are considering, then this length is A and MO is also A, and this distance is equal to CA, means CA is 2A. This length OF is A, OM is A, then the length AC we are getting as 2A. And by the definition, the distance from the focus here, if you are observing, AF is the distance and then FA is equal to AC. It means that this length also we are getting 2A. By the definition of parabola, the distance of the point from the directrice and the focus are equal, and if you are joining that points, then we are getting a curve, and that is called the parabola. Then here the distance AC is equal to AF, and if AF is 2A, and if we have to find the complete length AB, then easily we are able to tell the complete length AB as 4A. Then let us do this. You are observing here AC is equal to FM is equal to 2A, means AF is equal to 2A, because the parabola is symmetric with respect to x-axis. Then length of latus rectum we are getting 4A. Then these things we have to find in the question. If a equation is given, then we are able to tell the focus along which axis the parabola is symmetric. We are able to tell the vertex on which it touches the axis, and we are able to tell the length of the latus rectum. These four things we have to find in the question. Then let us solve some question. Here I am taking question number first. Find the coordinate of the focus, axis of the parabola, equation of the directrice, and length of latus rectum. If the equation is given to you, y square is equal to 12x, then you have to just compare this equation with the standard equation that we have, the four equations we have. And if you are comparing, then y square is equal to 12x is clearly it is symmetric about x-axis in the positive direction of x-axis. This is similar to y square is equal to 4ax. And if you are comparing these two equations, then simply we are getting the value of 4a. 4a is equal to 12, then the value of a we are getting as 3. And if we have the value of a, then we are able to tell the coordinate of the focus, because the coordinate of focus along the positive direction of x-axis we are getting a comma 0, y coordinate is 0 here, and the value of x we are getting 3. Then the coordinate of focus we have 3 0. And if we have the equation, then for the equation of parabola which is symmetric along positive direction of x-axis, then the directrice, the equation of directrice we are getting as x equal to minus a. And if it is x equal to minus a, then we are able to write x is equal to minus 3. Then the equation we are getting x plus 3 equal to 0, or you may write x equal to minus 3. Length of latus rectum if we have to find, then that length we know 4a, The value of a we have 3, 4 into 3 we are getting 12, the length of the tratus rectum. Let us solve one more question. Find the coordinates of the focus axis of the parabola, the equation of directrice and the length of tratus rectum for the equation x square is equal to minus 9y. Clearly we are observing x square is equal to minus 9y. The degree of y is less, it means it is symmetric about y axis, and if it is symmetric about y axis, and by the negative sign we are able to observe this, it is along the negative direction of y axis. And if it is negative direction of y axis, symmetric about negative direction of y axis, then the standard equation we know x square is equal to minus 4ay. And if you are comparing these two equations, then the value of 4a we are getting here, 4a we are getting as minus 9, this value is mistaken here, then a we are getting as 9 by 4. The value of a we have, and if the value of a we have, we are able to tell the coordinate of the focus, the vertex, the directrice, equation of directrice, length of tratus rectum, all these things. Then let us do this. Then the coordinate of the focus we are getting, because it is along the negative direction of y axis, then 0 minus a, value of a is 9 by 4, then the coordinate of focus we have 0 minus 9 by 4. And the equation of directrice we are getting y equal to a, means y is equal to 9 by 4, length of tratus rectum 4a, then 4a simply we are getting 9. Similarly you have to solve the other question. One more question I am going to solve. Find the equation of the parabola. This time the equation we have to get, and first of all we have to observe along which axis it is symmetric, because the four equations we have, standard equations we have for the parabola. Then by observing the other values we are able to tell along which axis it is symmetric. In the previous two questions the equations are given, but in this question we have to form the equation of parabola. Then let us solve this. Find the equation of parabola that satisfies the following condition. Vertex is given 0 0, means the parabola passes through the origin, and focus if you are considering 3 0, and if focus is 3 0 means a comma 0, then this is along the positive direction of x axis. The parabola is symmetric along the positive direction of x axis. Then the equation we know, if it is symmetric about the positive direction of x axis, then we are getting y square is equal to 4ax, and if y square is equal to 4ax, the value of a is given, and if you are keeping the value of a in this equation, then what we are getting, y square is equal to 4 into 3 into x, and on solving we are getting the standard equation for this condition as y square is equal to 12x. Similarly you have to solve the rest of the questions of this exercise. In the next presentation we are going to learn something about the ellipse. Sai Ram Tol.